How to add subdomain in Hostinger. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first, select the website or specific website that you want to create a subdomain to and click on manage. By doing so, it will redirect you to the hosting page over here. Now look over here on the left side, you should be able to see different features or menu available for us. You're simply going to scroll down a bit and you're going to navigate or locate the domains option. Click on the domains option and you should be able to see set domain, subdomains, spark domains, redirects, and so on and so forth. So you're just simply going to select subdomains. Then over here, it will prompt you to enter a name for your subdomain. So you're just going to simply give it a name. Then you could see the attached subdomain over here, depending on what your URL or what your domain is. And then after that, simply click on create, or you could also enable custom folder for subdomain, wherein you could create a directory. So simply click on create, and you should then be able to create your subdomain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.